How to find post you're tagged in on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. In here, you will find your profile. Click on your profile. You'll find three dots beside edit profile. Click on three dots. Then in here, click on activity log. After that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your Facebook activity, which is the first option. Then all these options will pop. Scroll down, click on manage tags. After you've clicked on manage tags, you'll be able to see all the posts you're tagged in on Facebook. This is how to find posts you're tagged in on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.